The attendance app provides you with insights on productivity and late time entries, with automation to remind your team to clock in and get on task.
So this is one we talk about the called attendance, right? So as I mentioned, you can see here, right? This is our employees. So first is the visit. Initially, it's about the utilization, right? So when we first developed it, we said, okay, utilization is a Z number one a KPI for the technician, right? So how can we calculate the accurate utilization? So this is what we did, right? So people can come here. You can click in, right? Then your box just become see here become Daniel become green, right? Then you comes in, or you can then go on site break or lunch, right? So or you can come here say, okay, I'm gonna go to lunch, right? So on your cell phone, on the desktop, just type lunch, right? Break out, any of those stuff. Then once you type it, the bot's gonna acknowledge you. Oh, okay, Daniel, you started your lunch at this time. Oh, by the way, you're really bad on the utilization. Go fix your utilization. Right? So, or like Richard, you are going to the lunch, but your utilization is 93.4.3. Good job. And you have no in progress ticket. You have no overlap. Enjoy your lunch. Right. Well, Daniel, go click this. Right. So this serve two purposes. Oh, we have our team. Some of our team, they use this one, right? They say, like this one, this case as MSPbots break. Right. I see a lot of company doing this. Be right back. Break. Lunch. To let other people know I'm not here. Don't forward the call to me. Right. But instead, we do is add MSPbots back. So they serve a couple of purposes, right? Number one, notify people, change your presence, and do a QA check, right? It's the three things happened when this command was sent. So then when, this is initially we did just for the utilization, but then later, the COVID hit, right? Everybody started working from home. We're like, okay. People say, can you give some kind of presence? Who's, I know Key is taking the break. Oh, no, Key is back actually, right? So it's hard to go track back. So we start doing like, oh, can we give this presence, right? Oh, Daniel is having lunch, right? Blue collar. Then they start to say, oh, okay, this is awesome. Can you show what they're doing, right? Paramount is working on this ticket, which is a priority 3 for 27 minutes. While the Joshua is working on this ticket, which is a priority 1 for hour and 34. Let me not bother him. But hey, Irvin, what you're doing, right? You're free. Okay. Actually, there's a new version, a design. I don't know. It's maybe next week or 2, or maybe 3 weeks. I don't know. So we're gonna say how long Irvin has been not in progress. Right? For how long? So you are working here, but you don't have any ticket in progress for more than 15 minutes. You're not on break. You're not on lunch. You're not working on the ticket. Hey, Irvin, right? Did you forget to ticket to in progress? Right? So this is the incoming, this design is already done. They're, developing it right now. So this is what we say. This message alone, right? We say people boost their, those people have 50-60% utilization. They move to the 80, just like, the messages you said early. It's very difficult to explain. Hey, Laura, this bot has been chasing you 4 or 5 times a day, last 2 weeks, yet your average utilization is still 50%. Which English you don't understand? How do you want me to give you? Do you want like a audio training, how to click calendar to find out the missing time entry? Right? It's very, very difficult for the employees to say, yeah, here's a legit reason. Typically, I'm too busy, overwhelmed. Sorry, that's not a reason. Oh, I don't care, right?
Right.
So this is made the management job way easier. All you need to ask is, hey, Laura, are you watching those messages? Is there any message you don't understand? What help you need? after a while, people are like, I really cannot give my manager any excuse. Then they start changing.
That's right.
If they want to stay, right? So then this is the attendance, right? Mainly it's just visibility, and we have a lot of new requests, right? People says, okay, I want to, hey, you have space here. I want to see there how many tickets they finished today, right? How many tickets? What's the utilized time? Can you put the utilization there in the real time because you already know that, right? Can you make this box bigger because I want to say move the mouse over, right? Say what's their other 3 KPIs. I say yes, we can do all of them. It just how long the queue, how many people can hire. So yeah, those are all in the plan to give you this one single, pane dashboard, right? So this is going on.